Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about some important features of classes in Python. Just to recall, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties and behaviors that objects of the class will have. We will talk about the self parameter as well as the init method. In Python classes, the init method and the self parameter play crucial roles in defining and initializing objects. The init method is a special method in Python classes that is automatically called when a new instance of the class is created. Init stands for initialize. It is used to initialize the attributes of the newly created object. It allows you to set up the initial state of the object by assigning values to its attributes. In Python, the self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class. It is used to access variables that belong to the class and to call other methods within the class. When defining methods in a class, self must be the first parameter in each method declaration. Let's head to VS Code for practical examples. I will open a new Python file, code main.py. Now I will make a class and explain the functionality of the init method and the self parameter. Class person colon div dunder init inside parentheses self comma name comma age colon self dot name equals to name and self dot age equals to age. Then def display underscore info inside parentheses self colon print inside parentheses f string and inside quotations name colon inside curly braces self dot name comma age colon inside curly braces self dot age. Then outside the class, person1 equals to person inside parentheses and inside quotations Alice comma 30. Person2 equals to person inside parentheses and quotations Bob comma 25. And at the end, person1 dot display underscore info and then person2 dot display underscore info. The person class has an init method that takes name and age as parameters and initializes the name and age attributes of the object using these parameters. The display underscore info method prints the name and the age of the person object. Two instances of the person class, person1 and person2, are created with different values for name and age. The display underscore info method is called on each instance to display the information of the respective persons. Now if I run this, Python main.py, you can see it outputs name colon Alice comma age colon 30 and name colon Bob comma age colon 25. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.